Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of threads. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of threads and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about threads like this. Then here, if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.